How to redeem an Amazon gift card to your bank account, and is it possible? So let's say that somebody has gifted you an Amazon gift card and you don't actually need anything from Amazon but instead need money. So what can you do? One of the ways of doing this is going to be using Amazon Pay. There you will be able to redeem the balance into your account and then you can cash it out, but that is going to require a business. So if you have Amazon Pay, you can do that. Here you will need to sign into your Amazon Pay account and simply redeem the gift card on Amazon Pay. If you can't do that, another thing that you can do is try selling the gift card, and that is gonna be another method of essentially getting money for it. And those are your options. You can't directly do it from within the Amazon website. I hope this helps you out and answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.